everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Michelle. Today I'm featuring this gorgeous wig from Hairvivi. Hairvivi is probably one of my favorite luxury hair brands because they just offer beautiful quality. Their units are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the color on this head. Do you see the dimensions and the definition and the contrasts in these highlights and these lowlights? There's so much attention that comes into the dyeing and coloring of these wigs. Every single time I get a Hairvivi wig, you can tell that there was time and patience and how it's all blended into a nice, creamy, soft, blondish color. You can see that it is pre-plucked, that the bleach is clean, honey. So getting into the features on this wig, this is one of their zero stress arch lace cap wig. The piano keys, cloud soft elastic band with the anti-silicone strip. It's got these adjustable straps in the back for added security. It's very easy to adjust and it's very stretchy. It also has this very soft material that goes on the nape of your neck along with this comb. And the comb is very lightweight for my traction alopecia girlies. So this is the Scalp. It is sewn into the cap. It comes in 4 different colors. There's honey, cappuccino, mocha, and Americano. If you got something to say to me, then say it to me. So this feature is probably one of my favorite features in all of Hairvivi wigs. When this Scalp has been installed in your cap, you do not have to do the ball cap method. You don't have to worry about anything. You just put it on and it's gonna cover a multitude of sins, okay? You're so sorry. Sorry, y'all, I had a Snickers moment. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. So this hair is 160% density, and let me show you how this Scalp works. You see my hair? You don't see my hair. You see my hair? You don't see it no more. Do you see it? It's gone, girl. So this cap gives you 13 by 6.5 inches of parting space. So you can do some deep parting, girl. You could do some bantu knots if you wanted to. I'm going to very carefully cut this lace into sections. This is invisible HD lace. As you can see, there is a gap between the lace, the hair, and then where the Scalp starts. So you don't have to worry about accidentally cutting the sewn-in scalp portion. So I know I said this was glueless, but for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and tack down my sideburns a little bit with some spritz. That gives me a little bit more license to do some styling because I'm going to be tugging on this wig and manipulating it. I'm gonna go in with some spray wax because I love it. I love spray wax now. No more wax sticks for me. They get hair, it gets all clunky and junky. I like this spray, it's a lot more cleaner. I went ahead and locked in the style of parting with my straightening comb. I decided to go in with my T3 because I wanted these curls to be really locked in. But before I did that, I wanted to show you what the hair looked like after I installed it right out of the package. And this is the length. So for these curls, I really wanted them to set. So I went in with a lot of holding spray and some clips. And I finally got some clips, y'all. I ordered them from Amazon. They finally came here. So I got enough clips. So let me tell you what happened. And I left this in. I dropped one of my rollers. I went to go pick it up, and when I sat back down, my neck clicked. I don't even know what happened. See, that's what happens when you get older, okay? Drink your collagen. Because I don't know what that was. I had to crack my own neck. Child, I was scared. My husband in the other room 5 feet away from me, not knowing I'm fighting for my life in the bathroom. Because I dropped the roller, bro. What's going on? So the reason why I love these units, I'll miss the curl, y'all. But let me show you what it looks like when I take these rollers out. Gotta do a little top up of the lippy lip. So the reason why I love Hairvivi wigs because they are very, very beginner friendly. The cap is always really nice and lightweight and breathable, and you don't have to worry about blending in foundation with lace. And I don't know, it's just elegant. You don't have to worry about doing anything to cover up any messes that you might have created with baby hairs on the side. Their wigs are always very simple, but elegant.
Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise.
I'm gonna go ahead and lock in the style with some more holding spray. And this holding spray is flexible. I just wanted to make sure that if I'm bending over or I'm turning my head or something like that, that I won't lose the style completely.
Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me.
The lace is HD, it's invisible, you cannot see it. It goes right up, it blends into your skin tone. And then that Invisiscalp, you don't have to use foundation to hide any grids or knots or anything like that. It's quality. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe to my channel, y'all. Join my channel, guys. If you have any questions about this hair, I'm going to put all the information about it in the description box below. And I will talk to you lovelies later. Drink your collagen.
Everything, cause you are scared that I might leave you. Oh, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me.
Love you guys. Bye.